Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be going to the grocery store and getting some stuff at H-E-B. I'll probably film some stuff through there just to kind of show you some of the things that we're going to get. I just watched one of Tiffany Beeston's most recent, no, maybe it wasn't recent because she was still in her old house. Anyway, I watched one that I had not seen, one of her YouTube videos. If you don't follow her, go follow her. She does some fantastic YouTube videos. But she's all about budgeting and healthy eating, and she's got 4 kids also. And so her recipes tend to be very quick and easy. So I found a great recipe for spaghetti squash that she uses, and it just made me salivate. So I'm gonna get some stuff for that along with our groceries for the week. Luckily, the boys are off of school on Friday, so I don't have to worry about lunch for them that day, at school anyway. I mean, they'll have to eat at home, but so I'm gonna go do the grocery shopping, and then later on I'm gonna be doing the fridge clean out. So that'll be fun because I think if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I haven't done that, I don't think, since we got the refrigerator. My bad. And that was like 4 or 5 years ago. So not saying that I haven't emptied anything out, but I haven't taken everything out totally and cleaned it and reorganized it. And so I'm ready to do that. But I'm gonna kind of show you what we're gonna refill the fridge with, and I'm excited to get this video going. So I have not eaten since yesterday. So about 24 hours. I have just been so busy trying to get things done and running around for our kids, and we have a sick baby. So he is still fighting this GI bug. So before I go to H-E-B, I am going to stop at Starbucks. I usually do, and take a drink with me. But I try really hard before I go to the grocery store to eat, because otherwise I will definitely impulse buy, which I don't want to do because we're trying to stay on a budget right now. But I didn't have time to eat right now. Saturday has totally gotten away from us, and I don't know about the rest of y'all, but daylight savings time is brutal for me. I feel like it takes me a really long time to catch up. So I'm still kind of stuck in that lagging period, and I can't seem to get caught up. But Colton was up most of the night last night fighting a fever, and I try at night not to give him anything if it doesn't get too high, but last night it got too high, and I guess he was having body aches and things like that, and so he was tossing and turning every 5 to 6 seconds. And yes, I was counting it. It was almost on the dot every single time. So we didn't get much sleep last night. So I am going to stop at Starbucks before I hit H-E-B, and then we will get going. All right, so I got my Starbucks. I'm getting ready to go in to H-E-B. So when I head into H-E-B, usually the first thing that I go for is the baby section to try to get Colton some of his favorite snacks. Here, I'm kind of showing you, they have a really good selection if you're trying to be healthy, organic, anything like that. They really have some good options. Today, we're going to grab him some of these Plum Organics Jammy Sammies, which he absolutely loves. And they just happened to have a $1 off coupon per box. So that was awesome. It made it only $1.96 per box. There's 5 sandwiches in each box. We usually buy him the grape, the strawberry, and that apple, cinnamon, and oatmeal. He loves those. Sometimes he'll eat them as a snack, or sometimes he will have 2 for a meal with some of their, the Gerber Puffs, the chips versions for babies. He absolutely loves them. So I put everything in the basket, looking for some more stuff. He usually loves their, so there's the crunchies there. That's what he absolutely loves, those. So we'll make those meals for him. And then down on the bottom, we usually get some of those Gerber Graduates meals. Don't come at me. I know that they're probably not super healthy for kids, but he loves these. He loves the oatmeal, the cinnamon, apple cinnamon. He really loves the banana, but we haven't been able to find those in quite some time. And some of his favorites with these are the chicken and rice. He will specifically ask us for chicken and rice at dinner, and he likes the mashed potatoes and meatloaf. So here I'm going to grab some Pedialyte. For those of you that follow me on social media, you know that everybody in our family has been battling a stomach bug lately, so Pedialyte is a must. I'm also looking here for some constipation support for Colton, because with this bug, he's ended up with gastroparesis, which means that everything kind of stops flowing, which causes a lot of that vomiting. And we usually try to go to Wellemints for that. So here we have found these skinny dipped almonds. Y'all, they are amazing. I don't even like almonds, and these are so good. We wanted to try the lemon bliss this time because we have the dark chocolate. So here, y'all, I am a fan of Diet Dr. Pepper with the cream soda. However, I have not been able to find them in quite some time. So when I went to H-E-B this time, I saw this Dr. Pepper Zero and decided I was going to grab that. So it's actually pretty good. Here, Pop-Tarts are a staple in our house. I don't like them, but the boys are obsessed. So we get these, and then these Pop-Tart bites, you'll see when we do the clean out in the fridge and the freezer that the kids like to throw those in the freezer for dessert. Here you can see that H-E-B has a really good selection of flowers. Currently, I haven't been buying these alternatives, I apologize, but I am going to start looking into that because, again, if you follow me on social media, I'm going to be starting a 12-week workout program and lifestyle change with food. So I'm going to be looking into some of those things. Here, I was looking for a really good Alfredo sauce. I picked what I could because I didn't find anything that I really wanted, but I was dead set on making a recipe that Queen Tiffany Beeston had recommended with spaghetti squash, and I needed to make sure that I had that. These low-carb tortillas from La Tortilla Factory are amazing. They are very low-carb. They taste fantastic. You can find them at H-E-B. And bread is a staple in our home. H-E-B has a fantastic selection of so many different breads. They have all your name brands. They also have their own brands. They're very affordable. We buy bread in bulk. We stick it in the freezer. We stick it in the fridge so it lasts really long. Here I'm trying to pick out some really good grape options. My kids love fruit. We're trying to get them off of all of the added sugar, sweets, things like that. And so we're using fruits and vegetables, or fruits basically, to kind of help them with that. If y'all have not tried these Mi Tienda refried beans, y'all are totally missing out. These are my absolute favorite. They're so... Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I told y'all that I will be doing a extreme clean out with my refrigerator and freezer. So let me kind of show you what it looks like. So there is a whole bunch of stuff in there. Not quite sure what's what anymore. We also have a snack drawer down here. This is all the kids' snacks. And then we will also be tackling the freezer drawer. So we have a whole lot to work on today, so let's get started. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna empty everything out first and put it on the counter. That way we can kind of take a look at what we have, what we need to organize, keep, anything that might be outdated, we're gonna go ahead and toss. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that.
I came to make a name. Got your star and leave it on that pavement. Came to entertain, but what I didn't know is that a stage would be my gauge. Cause when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love yourself in this silence. And yeah, I wanna see my worth when no one else does. I keep looking and I keep trying, but I feel my Hollywood heart, and it's every beat is a knockoff. I'm tryna heal my Hollywood heart, but it's hard to give it my trust. Cause Hollywood heart is a faker. Hollywood heart doesn't show when it's breaking. Hollywood heart is a hater. tryna hear my Hollywood heart, but it's hard to give it my trust, 'cause Hollywood heart is a faker. Hollywood heart doesn't show when it's breaking. Hollywood heart is a hater. Hollywood heart isn't whole till you make it. Hollywood
have a nice and clean refrigerator, I'm going to slowly wipe everything else down, make sure that it's really, really clean. All the crumbs are gone. And oops, there's the butter left in there. I got to get that out. And then I will start putting everything back in. So I have some containers that I use in the fridge just to kind of keep things organized. I'm going to put those back in there after they've been cleaned really well, and I will be utilizing them again. Oftentimes what I use them for are things like I have a leftover bin where I put all of the items that we have as leftovers so that when we're looking for something to eat in the evening, that is the first thing that we go for. So here you can see I went ahead and put in this drawer, I put my pickles and some of my vegetables, beans, hard-boiled eggs, shredded lettuce, all that good stuff, banana peppers, they're amazing on everything. And here I put me and my husband's cheeses, easy to grab. Here is the Holy Grail Chick-fil-A sauce. And here we have our meats. We have turkey sausage, hot dogs, pepperoni, and sandwich meat. And here we have our variety of cheeses, our shredded cheese and our sandwich cheese, along with some cream cheese I found in the fridge, didn't know we had. Here we have our leftover bin. I have some Pedialyte. Those of you who follow me on social media know that the baby has been sick with a GI bug. So I have some Pedialyte for him. Here, I love this stuff. Stoke, I think it is, cold brew, amazing. So I have some of those. Heavy whipping cream to make my own sweet cream cold foam. I have fruit here for the kids, and I have my Silk dairy-free vanilla yogurt. Love this stuff, it's amazing. I also have over here, these are all kind of some dressings and things like that, dips. Here is some soup that we got from H-E-B. I have some spinach and hearts of romaine over here. Our butter, well, that's my family's butter, not mine, but. And then we have lots and lots of different drinks. I love Premier Protein, so I have that. We do keep our bread in the fridge. And then here are our eggs. Over here we have sour cream, mayonnaise, so some of the condiments and things like that. And then in our door over here, I have some more condiments and dressings, whipped cream, things like that. And here we have milk right here. We will have our container of Silk soy for the baby because he is lactose intolerant. And then y'all, Chobani creamer is life. Please understand that. And yes, I'm supposed to be dairy free, but so I have my Silk almond creamer in here. I do still use the Natural Bliss because I love it. I have some sweet cream cold foam. And then up here, the baby has also been dealing with some constipation. So I have Willemins Organic Constipation Support, his sippy cup with his milk in it, and then all of my Country Crock butter. So that is finished, looks beautiful. Oh, we'll see how long that lasts. And next, we are going to tackle the snack drawer.
Feeling good today.
So here we have it, a nice, clean, organized freezer, some kids' items on top, waffles, fruit bars, teething toys for Colton, and then we have all of our ice packs nice and organized here for the kids. On the bottom, we have fruits, vegetables, and meats separated out. Voila, there you go. So I hope that y'all liked my extreme clean out. As you can tell, it definitely needed it. So, please subscribe, like, and give me a comment, share it with your friends, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.